is the beginning of Bismillah. Taste for taqwa, bewaring of Allah, and thirst for thawab.
Has your child been remote learning this past year? Or have you been homeschooling your child or children for this past year or year and a half? Are you tired and frustrated with teaching your kids at home? Are you running out of fun ideas? Are you having trouble with keeping them engaged? Are they driving you crazy? Don't worry, this workshop is just for you. If you've answered yes to any of those questions, then you want to sign up for MWI's Remote Learning for the Frustrated Parent. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Khalilah, and I am one of the teachers that will be instructing this fun, engaging, and interesting workshop. Sign up today.
One.
How many bears do you have here?
2, 3.
No. How many bears do you have here?
1.
Kaden. How many bears do you have here? Count them.
1, 2.
Kaden.
Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Naimah. As you guys saw in the previous clip, all parents face frustration when teaching remotely or assisting their child with homework. So, MWI is having a 2-day mini course that will help you master understanding your child's personality type and the type of learner that they are so that you can better assist them when teaching remotely or just helping them with homework. So inshallah, we hope to see you there.
Boys for thought in a path to walk upon.